Hello everyone, welcome to CHL Industries. Today I'll show you around our factory. Just follow me. Here is our laboratory, the backbone for the design and development of our products. And here we have the PCB prototype and structure assembly area. Here is the battery capacity testing area, where our engineers use high-precision instruments to test our batteries. Next comes our standard functionality testing area, where technicians will test the PCBA boards to validate their common functions. Here we have the startup performance testing area, where our engineers are measuring the parameters during the startup process, so as to ensure the best performance of our products for vehicle ignition under different conditions, so we can meet successfully all the market demands. Here in the performance testing area, engineers are using high-precision instruments to check the PCBA board and the key components' safety and reliability according to the highest international standards. And finally, here is the environmental reliability testing area, where in order to ensure the product's reliability, they are subjected to various environmental conditions, such as storage, usage, and accidental drops, using scientific methods to identify and solve any possible defects. And here is our production workshop. Follow me. And here we have our production line. Over there we are testing the static power consumption to confirm the product's reliability. And here we are testing the protection function to ensure the product safety for our customers. We also use some manual testing methods, like shaking them. Then we are testing the charge and discharge in different conditions to make sure that the product and the PCBA board stability can meet the design's requirement. On this line we are assembling the smart clamps, starting with the bottom case and the assembling of PCBA board, the signal control line, setting the cover and testing the startup performance. Here we do the labeling. And over there is where we do the packing. Now we are attaching the smart clamps to the jump starter. Wow, nice work! Then we are packing the multilingual instructions and the accessories into the EV bag. Next, we are packing it in the outer box with your own design, making sure that there are no missing parts. And finally, after shrink wrapping it, our jump starter is ready for you. Here is our raw materials inspection area. And here is where all the high-performance cells are waiting for being assembled in the battery pack. Next is the ICQ testing room. Let me show you. And the aging room over here. And here is our OQC testing area. So that's our entire production line. Thank you for your attention.